My name is Mike Kruse. I own Shagbuilt Machine Co. here in Phoenix, Arizona. I am a tattooer of 30 years, and I've been building machines for about 25 years now. An old-timer had scolded me at one point that us young guys at the time didn't have knowledge on how to build our own equipment, maintain our own equipment. We really didn't know anything about the tools of our trade, and that really bothered me. My first machine design, I was dealing with very limited tooling and space, so it was all hand tools, all hand cut, hand filed, had a buddy weld it together, and it was pretty horrible. But it got me hooked. As my machinist was asking me more and more questions, I didn't have any CAD experience, so I went to a community college and took some training. It wasn't until many years later that I found Fusion. I consider myself very lucky in that sense because Fusion is a very easy program to learn as a beginner. I started learning Fusion CAM out of necessity. I had hired a programmer to consult for me. That ended up not working out. So basically I was left in the position of sink or swim. And so I just buckled down, started watching a ton of YouTube videos, and figured a lot of stuff out with a lot of help from my friends. I look at DSI as a really good tool to have in the toolbox. When you really need that advanced intermediate help, somebody's there and you can sit down and show them the problem. I am being mentored by Angelo Juris at DSI. He's been great. He's super funny, wonderful guy, super knowledgeable machinist. I like to present Angelo with things such as, hey, here's my workflow, pick the inefficiencies. And he's been really great at helping suggest ideas for me to make my workflow more efficient and plain and simply make my life easier.